10 Most Colorful Birds in the World. Colors have played important roles in our lives, and we all show different reactions to different colors. Our choice of clothes, interior decoration of homes, and even purchase of items of daily use are affected by colors. No wonder, we all love to see colored birds also. Our preference of birds is inspired by colors and shapes of feathers, beaks, and other body parts. In addition, their social behavior has encouraged us to have them as pets, and they have found place in poetry and popular music. 1. Scarlet macaw. Native to tropical South America, scarlet macaw is a large-sized parrot with very prominent red, yellow and blue colors. It has a whitish skin patch around its eyes and bill and has a very long tail. The legs and feet are black and the beak is dark black at the bottom, though the upper part of it is light. The lifespan ranges between 4 to 5 decades but can be longer in captivity. They practice monogamy, make their nests in the hollow areas of the trees, and both care for their younger ones. They can fly with high speed and often do it in pairs or in small groups. Their squeaks and screams can be very loud and noisy for communicating with their groups. Their diet comprises fruit, even before they are actually ripe, nuts and seeds. 2. Toko toucan. The popularity of toko toucan lies in its bill, which is quite large and colorful too. There are 40 different species, and their bills of different colors are amazing. Contrary to the size, which is normally more than half the size of the body, and its shape, the bill is more a deterrent than having actual combating capability. Their legs are short and strong, and the toes are peculiar. The first and the fourth toes are turned backwards. They like to eat fruit, insects, and even small lizards. They live in tree holes and in small flocks. They are natives of South America's tropical forests. 3. Mandarin duck. One of the most striking colorful perching duck, mandarin is an East Asian medium-sized duck. Male can be easily recognized because of 3 distinctive colors of body parts. Bill is red, white crescent above the eyes and reddish face. 2 vertical white bars on the purple-colored breast make this duck even more striking. Female ducks lay eggs in cavities in trees, normally chosen near shallow lakes. The males defend during incubation. Migration to eastern China or southern Japan is observed in Asian mandarins. Insects, snails, small fish, plants, and seeds form their diet. 4. Stork-billed kingfisher. Stork-billed kingfisher is one of the most popular tree kingfisher in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It is big-beaked as compared to its size and has a combination of colors. Normally it has green back and blue tail as well as wings. Legs are bright red, and so is the peculiar large and beautiful bill, but the plumage pattern may vary in the 15 races and the area where it inhabits, which is around rivers, coasts and near lakes. They will perch on a tree branch and hunt fish, crabs, and frogs by diving down suddenly. 5. Australian king parrot. With male conspicuous by the red head, breast, and lower undersides, the Australian king parrot remains one of the most colorful birds in eastern Australia. Female parrots have strikingly different green head and breast with grey beak. Fruits, seeds, and small insects are their diet while inhabiting in pairs or in groups in humid and heavy forests in the eastern coasts and ranges part of the Australian continent. They are sedentary and lay their eggs in hollow trunks of the trees with high entrances. 6. Roseate spoonbill. Pink plumage and spatulate pale gray bill makes this huge bird quite distinctive. It has white feathers at neck, chest, and upper part of its back, but the legs and eyes are red. Gregarious in nature, this most striking and wading bird of North America is found in ponds, marshes, and swamps. They keep their bill partially submerged to catch small fish and amphibians in the shallow water. 3 cream-colored eggs laid by the female have incubation period of about 3 weeks, duly shared by the male. 7. Red-legged partridge. Red-legged partridge is a bird which can be found on farmlands. Pink red legs and a small bright red beak with red ring around eyes make it quite attractive. It has creamy white upper throat and chin. It is a game bird and lays eggs on the nest made at ground. Also, this species eats seeds and small invertebrates. Running instead of flying is its peculiarity, though it has capability to fly for short distances. 8. Bolt-urine guinea fowl. Another gregarious species, bolt-urine guinea fowl is a large bird with very small head. This species is striking because it is taller than other guinea fowls and makes peculiar sounds. It has blue upper back and breast and bluish-gray band of short chestnut feathers around neck. When challenged, it prefers running rather than flying. Hens lay cream-colored eggs in thick grasses, bushes, or trees. They are found in northeast Africa, Ethiopia, northern Tanzania, and Kenya. 9. Gouldian finch. One of the most bred in captivity and loved bird by aviculturists in Australia, but has surprisingly entered the endangered category of wild animals. Luckily, recovery plans are on. They may be of varying colors, like combinations of green, yellow, and green, but male's chest is mostly purple. Scarcity of water and food makes them to move from tropical savanna woodlands. They are basically seed eaters and make their nests in tree holes for breeding. Males are known for their courtship dance. 10. Chestnut-headed bee-eater. A very slender but richly colored small bird, chestnut-headed bee-eater, is resident of Indian subcontinent and some adjoining countries in Southeast Asia. Recognized by the chestnut-colored head and crown, this tiny acrobatic bird has greenish breast and lower parts, and its tail feathers are beautiful dull olive. They catch wasps, bees, and dragonflies in the air. They stay in colonies on sandy banks near water.